don't care. So, good luck on the cards. This one just got a scratch card. Fingers crossed. Do you remember when Sal won £10? When we were in Newquay? Remember? Expensive one, isn't it? It's £5. But we can't hear anything right now. Any matches? What about the bottom ones? 20 quid? Oh.
Fuck this.
What does it mean?
Nothing.
Aww. Sad. Next time. I don't believe in these things. I never win anything. I used to do the lottery. Imagine if you won the Euro Millions. Oh my god. Where are we? Oh, we're back at Berkeley Square. Are we? Yes. Where are we going? Egg!
Hi.
Set up this. Where'd the putty cat?
He's there, he's playing the paper.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Hello. Hello, Osiris. Hello. Hi, pretty cat. Come here.
I don't think you need this light on if you're having the window open.
I do.
Look how dark light is.
Okay, director. What you don't know is it's freezing in this room and this one's walking around naked.
I'm not in that cold, I'm quite hot.
Do I look horrendi? I mean, yes. I can't breathe right now because I didn't take allergy tablet.
Guys, I don't know about what.
I haven't taken my mascara off. That's just cute. That's just real cute. That's
Where
just
did I
gorgeous.
stick one up there?
Your eyebrows look nice.
They are, no? That product looked good. The video turned out good, didn't it? She was like, is that my brows?
Well, Erda didn't even know it was me.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, because they're already drawn on though.
I think I hoovered up a memory card yesterday.
Okay, I can't breathe. I spy a little pretty cat. Osiris! Osiris! He's so funny. Come here! Oh, he's going to daddy. Come on! Behind the scenes.
That's how that looks. How fat I look like. Let me see, pause that. I feel fat, look. This one sticks out a lot more. Turn the screen on, let me see how it looks.
What's Bailey doing?
What's that? Let me see.
I'm zooming out, hold on.
Mauritius started from 495 to
It's cold right now.
Turkish Airlines.
Cold right now.
They don't look that bad, do they?
Fly there.
They don't look that bad, innit?
No, I don't know why you think they do it.
This does, yeah. I've got to jiggle it back.
I got that. Oh, stupid! Oh, stupid! Oh, stupid! Oh, stupid! Oh, stupid! Oh, yo, 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 yo. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, what the? Ow. Bitch. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. No, don't bite me. Hold my hand. Hold hands with mummy.
Everything that I past today.
The baby.
Sure.
Failing is not an option.
Everything's at stake for us.
I've invested all my savings into it. These guys need a lot of help with their marketing, with their branding, things that people want to take pictures of. That is the recipe to a successful business.
Look how beautiful he looks in the camera. Look.
Oh, guys, taste me that.
What? Get the plant.
Huh?
Oh, right, the packaging, yeah. You're a pretty cat.
I think I can get some more filler in my lips.
Yeah, you can.
Don't you think?
Yeah, a little bit.
I mean, it's
Move it a
swollen
bit.
now, so I can't really move it properly, but I definitely can move with some more filler. Where can we go?
Huh?
Shall I leave it a couple of months?
Come now.
Maybe before summer.
Why don't you have solids on here, babe? Yeah.
No! Stay with me.
Watch on IGTV. I'm gonna shit myself. I need to wash the toilet.
Yep, I'm recording.
That's alright. It's a shit. We'll shit.
We all poop. Meow! Meow, meow. Come here, the baby.
Oh, into the bed.
No, come here. No, come. No,
He's like, he wants to play with you.
no. Ow! Stop
He
it.
wants to play.
I know, but I want to carry him. Come on. Come on. It's okay, it's
You're not
okay.
even clocking what I just did.
What was she doing?
It's okay. Oh, you go under daddy's legs. Oops.
Stop looking at your nose, babe. It's not gonna change.
Look at him. Are you actually eating it? Don't eat it. Silly. Hello. Oh, you're so pretty. All the packamajings. Well, I'm not going to get copyrighted on that, am I? He's loving it. Look at him.
Oh, it's a little bite, boy.
Ha ha! Jingle jingle. Oh, his little paws. You're so cute. Scratch. Oh. He fixes the camera making the noise.
You know what I need to make? A camera bag. A camera thing.
Oh!
I need my fat belly.
Oops! How was your toilet escapades?
Came out really nice. That. Now my arsehole's a bit loose. Comes out good.
Nice handbag.
Thank you.
Get ready to drink tonight. And if you don't, I'm
Do you want to take your porn light off?
Sleep in the car. Do you listen to what I said?
Okay. Everybody's on a higher pedestal. I'm not higher than they are.
Hi.
Higher than I am. We're all on the same level.
What are you
We're all
doing?
the same age. That's what's so that's what's so real about it, you know? Because that even the idea.
Get in the
of
bag.
meet and greets, like, I don't
What's
like
inside?
that idea, because it's like that all automatically puts me on a different level, and I don't want that. I get that that's how it has to be, you know, sort of sometimes, but it's like, I don't know.
That doesn't come from you at all.
No, it doesn't. It really doesn't. And I just try to be as their person as possible. You know, I want to be there. I don't want to be like.
Oh, you want the rubs? Oh, you want the rubs? Oh, you want the rubs? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. No bite, mummy. Don't bite, mummy.
And I'm squishy. I'm squishy. You gotta take a. You gotta hug me, bro.
It's a very creepy. Meet and greets are creepy.
They are creepy as hell. They're creepy. Like on the first tour I ever went on, which was like a year ago.
Your wax pot is just dangling off.
Right, because I feel like everybody had a Justin Bieber face when they're like 12 or something. Sure. And so when I say that, it doesn't sound as serious as it really was. And my mom was in the room and she can literally vouch for it, which is that when I was like 12, I was not a fan of him. That was like my first love. Like that was the person I was in love with. In my head, he was in love with me. It was like a relationship with a person. You know when you date somebody for a while?
He's trying to figure out if it's my hand. He's trying to go round. You bit smart, aren't you, Kitten?
Without really thinking, you automatically go, oh, that's not
Yes, it's mummy doing it. Yes, it's mummy.
Might be psychotic, which is totally fine. I'm just like,
no, but
Phil or Phil?
This is
Still Phil or Phil?
I love you.
a relationship with him.
I love you.
But it's
You're
like,
the one that thought you were, by the way.
no, but
In the dove relationship, we might be able to say
I'm
it to you.
saying that it wasn't like a weird thing.
No, totally.